All right, so this is gonna be interesting. I have no idea how it's gonna come out. So could be a fail, could be not. I made this compression mold and I'll kind of show the 3D side of things of how it all looks, but we're about to try to put it to action. So I have fast hardener resin because it is a ring, so it's very, very tiny. So it's a 4:1 ratio. So we're just gonna quickly mix that. Next thing is the fiber. So I'm just gonna grab a handful, throw it in there. Okay. Let's get this fiber out here and into the little mold. This is the whole point of this one. And boy, oh boy, does that get tight quick. Okay. I mean, I don't know if I need more. It's definitely... So what I'm going to do is take some of this excess on the edges out, because I definitely don't want too much on the outside. I'm going to take some more out. There's that. That was pretty quick. So now I'm going to put the lid on, like so. There we go. And slowly start compressing. All right, so there's that. All right. There's not much more I could do. We'll see how that comes out. That was the fastest tutorial I've ever done. In theory, this should be good. Oh, that popped out. Okay, there's the gold leaf. I thought that was a part of the mold stock. Okay, that's good. So now it's this stuff to pop off. So there we go. Now the last but not least is getting the ring out of there. Oh. It's going. Wow, it worked. Surprised, but happy. There it is. So there's a little flash line with the two pieces of the mold connecting. So now I'm looking just at what I have going on here. All right, so after polishing and sanding, here is the final ring. And I don't know if the GoPro is going to focus on it too well, but came out awesome. Let's see, maybe it'll be better in here with the garage lights. It's just so hard to focus on something this tiny. But yeah, done. And I got 3 more baking now. I made 3 more molds today, or 2 more. So I'm trying different glitters or whatever. But that in a nutshell is a ring.